First, the power control E-Lion. It takes care to coordinate the entire high voltage system, from the machine startup to the battery communication and charging. On top of it, the power management. And now that the power is available, well, let's just use it. Driving is nothing new to us. The EDA software package is now capable to achieve the same machine behavior, the same functionalities with the same HMI as a diesel machine, now also on an electric one. And the last, working hydraulics. Thanks to the EOC technology, the E-Lion software package enables you to control the pump and the motor as a single unit. And the benefit is actually how. We know, for electric machine, the crucial topic is to reduce the noise emission and to maximize the efficiency. With EOC E-Lion, you can now choose and optimize exactly those two aspects. Now we will see the Rexroth electric telehandler in action. I'm sure you could hear it. The software chooses the right working points in order to minimize the rotational speed and maximize the use of the pump displacement. And we just said efficiency. With EOC E-Lion maximum efficiency function, the software chooses the most efficient combination of motor, speed, and pump displacement. Once again, we will now see it in action. We will now lift the boom once again by changing continuously between maximum efficiency and minimum noise control. Maybe just a small change in the video, but we know every efficiency point counts. And we measured it, up to 8% more efficiency compared to fixed speed operation.